Hey, what's up guys, welcome to FineGap, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how you can use a custom font in our Next.js application. So currently I have this text in my hero section, so I will try to change its font. First of all, you can see this is a custom font I have downloaded from internet, and if I open this zip, and this folder name is Anton, and if I open this folder, inside this I can find this file named Anton regular. This is the font name and its file extension is .ttf. Okay, so simply what I need to do, I need to copy this .ttf extension file. Basically this is a font file, and then you will go to your Next.js application, you will open your public folder, and here you can create a separate folder for your font, like fonts. Inside this, if you can see, I have pasted my this anton-regular.ttf file. Let me show you. So here you can see that inside my fonts folder I have this font already available. So this was the first step. Next, you need to open your global.css, and here you need to define your font face. Okay, so what you will do, here you will type @font face. It is suggesting me this auto suggestion. Let me zoom in, and here first of all I will define my font family. So you can give any name here, whatever you want. So let's suppose, let me give here the name Anton hyphen fine gap. Okay, I'm trying to give this font name to my font. Okay, and then we need to give the URL. So what URL will be, I will use double quotes, and then I will use public. Inside publics I have fonts folder, and then I have Anton regular.ff. Okay, so now similarly I will define a class here named font hyphen Anton, and then I will type here font family, and basically here let me give my font family name which I have defined here, Anton hyphen fine gap, and then I will type here font weight 400. Okay, 400, and then simply I will copy this class from here, and this is my component in which my text exists, like I make top-notch websites. So here what I will do, I will type here a font Anton. If you can see, I have already defined a class here, so you need to define this class here. Now let me show you the output. Okay, in our output still there is font is not applied. Actually you need to remove this public here, because I think it will automatically fetch our font. It will automatically try to find the fonts folder from our this public directory. So now you can see that the font of our hero section text have been changed successfully. So friends, let me repeat the steps. What I do, I simply download the font from the internet, and inside my font I found the .ttf file. I place this in fonts and in fonts folder in my public directory, and then simply I define a font face here. I give a custom name to this, and then I define a custom class. Okay, and define a font family, and here you can see that this font family I have already defined in my font face section, and here I have defined the font weight. Okay, so friends, this was the technique that how you can use a custom font in your Next.js application. I hope that this video will be helpful for you, and finally, thanks for watching.